What if I told you there's a Faceless YouTube channel that launched just 4 months ago, and today it's already pulling in over 11 million views and nearly 165,000 subscribers? According to VidIQ, this channel is making more than $30,000 a month in pure ad revenue. And here's the crazy part. Every single video is created entirely with AI, and each one takes less than 15 minutes to make their very first upload. It blew up, over 6,000 views in a single month. And now every new video pulls in thousands of views like absolute clockwork. So what's their secret? They turn dark psychology and hidden trauma into emotionally charged, viral storytelling videos. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this, step by step, so you can start seeing results from your very first upload. I've dropped a full document with every prompt and tool I used. Grab it and follow along. If you want it now, like this video and comment Psychology Blueprint below, and I'll send it to you immediately. All right, let's dive in.
There's a specific kind of loneliness that follows a child who grew up emotionally neglected. It's not the loneliness of being alone in a room. It's the loneliness of sitting beside people, even family, and realizing that no one can actually feel you. If you grew up this way, you know exactly what I mean. You learned very early that the safest thing you could do was to shrink, to quiet your voice, to bury your feelings so deep inside your body that even you forgot where you left them.
Let's start with the video title, because in this niche, your title decides everything. Inside the document, I've added a specialized prompt that works as a viral title architect. Open ChatGPT, copy the title prompt, paste it in, and instantly, you'll get 15 viral title options based on psychological triggers: childhood wounds, hidden fears, personality traits, and dark psychology rules. For this tutorial, let's pick this title. Now, let's move to the next step. This is the heart of the entire system. I created a second prompt that turns your title into a fully structured 15 to 20-minute script. Copy it from the document, paste it into ChatGPT, but don't hit send yet. Insert your chosen title. For this demo, I'll use the one we just selected. Now send it. Within seconds, you'll have your full script ready. Here's the million-dollar secret most creators miss. A good script becomes a visual masterpiece only when you generate images with precision, not guesswork. Go back to the document and grab the storyboard prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, add your full script, and hit send. This will break down your script into 20 to 25 visual scenes, each tied to the exact line in your narration, no more random images. This gives you a shot-for-shot blueprint. Next, let's make the voiceover. For this niche, I prefer 11 labs. Choose a deep, calm, authoritative voice. Drop the stability slightly for a more mysterious, gravelly tone. Paste your full script, click generate, and once it sounds right, download your audio. Now let's generate the visuals. It sounds complex, but it's actually simple. Copy the image prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT, but don't send it yet. Take the first visual theme from your storyboard and add it to the prompt. Now hit generate. You'll receive a perfect, detailed image prompt. Copy it and paste it into a free tool like ImageFX or Whisk. Choose your aspect ratio, click generate, and let the AI work. Once you're happy with the image, download it. Now repeat the process for the next visual theme. Within minutes, you'll have 20 to 25 symbolic, emotionally powerful images, each aligned perfectly with your narration. If you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps. Now, let's jump into editing. Now let's move into the editing stage. Open CapCut and import everything. Your voiceover and all the images you generated. Place the voiceover on the timeline first. Clean it up by removing unnecessary long pauses, but keep the natural breathing space so the narration feels human and thoughtful. Next, drag in your images and arrange them in the exact order of your storyboard. Add a soft cinematic filter to unify the visuals, and use gentle zooms and pans to create slow, emotional motion across every scene. For background music, layer a calm ambient soundtrack from Pixabay. This gives the video a hypnotic, immersive flow, perfect for keeping viewers engaged for 10 to 15 minutes. Once everything looks good, hit export and choose the resolution you prefer. Now for the final piece, the thumbnail. This is where most creators fail, so pay attention. I've done the research. The best approach is to search Pinterest for abstract human figure art or expressive emotional paintings. Choose an image that reflects the theme of your video. The channel we're analyzing uses this exact style, which means it works. After selecting your base image, bring it into Canva. Use a clean, readable font and add short, powerful text that matches the emotion of your video. Keep it minimal and symbolic. That's the style that performs best in this niche, and that's the entire system. From a single idea to a fully edited, published video using nothing but AI tools. This is exactly how you build an audience and create real income through meaningful, emotionally driven content. The blueprint is ready. Now it's your turn. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more niche breakdowns. See you in the next one.